Welcome back to another part of this awesome training, and in this part I'm going to show you how to create your lead page. Remember, I walk you through the process of installing WordPress and also installing instabuilder, which is the software that we use to create our websites, like marketing pages, like lead pages, sales pages, webinar pages and the likes. But in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use instabuilder to create your lead page. There are a lot of page builders out there, Elementor, Thrivecart and the likes, ClickFunnels, a lot of them. But instabuilder is a very easy to use drag and drop page builder, and that is why I'll be using it in this tutorial. So now let's go back to our WordPress page. So now once we log into our dashboard and we've installed an instabuilder, as you can see, the instabuilder will show here. So the next thing is to create a page for our website. There are two ways to create your page. You can either go to pages and click on add new, or from here just click on instabuilder and click on new page. Whichever way you want to go about it, you can do it. So if I want to do it from here, I come to instabuilder, then click on new page. So once you click on new page, it's going to bring out templates. That's the beauty of instabuilder. Instabuilder comes with a lot of done for you site templates in different categories like sales pages, squeeze pages, launch pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages and the likes. So I can decide to select squeeze pages, and they also have a subcategory, as you can see. Is it a text squeeze, video squeeze, mini squeeze page, 2-step opt-in or 3-step opt-in? So I'll just leave it at the general one, squeeze pages. You see different designs for squeeze pages, and you can pick the one that you prefer. As you can see, these are squeeze pages. So at the end of the day, you can just pick one that you prefer and use it, or you can create your own from scratch. So in this case, I'll just select one of it. So I'll go with this. You can preview them as well to see how the templates looks like. So if you're okay with it, then you can go ahead and use them. So I can decide to go with this. So I'm just going to click on choose. So once I click on choose, it's going to load the templates, and from here I can start designing my squeeze page. So before you start designing your squeeze page, there are certain things you need to know. Now, people will not just come to your squeeze page and enter their name and email address for no reason. You have to give them reasons why they have to do that, and it has to be a very good one. That is, you have to offer them, you have to bribe them to release their name and email address to you. And how do you do this? You have to offer them a bit. So I'm going to show you how to actually do this. Now, you have to offer them an irresistible bit or freebie on your lead page. Now, this freebie or the gift you are offering them could be in form of software or video trainings, but not ebooks. Now, if you want to get high quality leads, offer software or video trainings. Now, I know you'll be wondering, where will you get all this stuff? You can easily get them on the sites below. You can go to superresell.com, indigitalworks.com or IDPLR. So I'm just going to make use of one of these sites. Now, all these sites you're seeing, they are called PLR websites. It's a membership site that you pay monthly or yearly, and you have access to thousands of softwares, ebooks, video trainings that you can resell or you can give out for free. So what you have to do is to go there, look for a software or video training related to the kind of market you want to focus on, which is affiliate marketing, make money, traffic generation, any software in that area. You pick it and use it as your freebies. So let's do that now. I'm going to go to idplr.com. Now, When you get to idplr.com, you have to register with them. I have an account with them, a lifetime access. So you have to register. You can register for free to have free accounts, or you can upgrade your account. So I'm just going to search for a product. Let's say I want to focus on make money or traffic generation. Just go to their site. You see categories there. You even see their latest products. Can you see it by this side? So, or you can go to categories. Can you see that? So once you go to categories, then select whatever you want to focus on. If it's software, you click on software. And you can also use the search bar to search for whatever you want to focus on. So look at this. These are softwares. Can you see? So you can always load more. Can you see? So you see a lot of softwares on this platform. Like I said, you should either give out a software or video trainings. These have higher perceived value to customers when they see it, and not all those free ebooks that are full of junks and all. So people will actually want to sign up. So now look at the sites. You can see a lot of, now look at this modern vlogging video upgrade. Now the beauty of using PLR is that they comes with their own done for you sites and all. So all you just have to do is just to copy and paste the contents. They also have their own graphics. You can see this is it, modern vlogging, WordPress website security. These are softwares and trainings. Look at this one, Amazon FBA success video upgrade. So these are trainings that you can sell. Look at this one, Amazon FBA success. You can use it as a free gift on your lead page, and people are going to sign up, trust me. So I'm just going to pick the video here and use it. So let me open it in link tab. Okay, so this is it. Like I said earlier on, you see more details about the product, what it is all about. As you can see, topics covered. So you can see the page as well. So if I click on this place, it is going to show me the sales page. So because this is already an upsell to the first product, so I'm going to go back to that one and click on it. So we can see the sales page, and we can use the headline and other things on this page for our lead page. So I'll click on sales page. So now, as you can see, this is the sales page for the product. So it's easy for us to just use this for our squeeze page. So what I'm going to do is just to copy the headline here. As you can see, I'll copy the headline, go back to my page. Yeah, I'm going to paste the headline there. Okay, let me paste it inside a notepad first. And I'll delete it. Then come back here and paste it. Can you see that? So I'll delete this. Can you see? You click on publish in order to publish your page for the very first time, and after time you can start saving. Anytime you make correction or changes to your site, you click on save, and here you can change the permalink, that is the link of that page. So I'll just click on edit permalink and give it a name. So here I can maybe sign up, click on OK. So this will be the link to that page. So let's copy and see. Save it. can see it's showing now. So this is our page. So let's continue with our design. I'll go back to the page. You close this. So here you can edit this. I'll go back to the sales page, find out our countless. Can you see? I'll copy it, go back to that page, put it in Notepad first in order not to affect the current fonts and all. Can you see that? Now I can add image. And here I can put something like free download. Can you see that? That's scarcity. So you can change this. Also change free download, 49 copies left. You see discover. I'll save again. So like I said, I can add the image. So I'll go to that sales page and look for the image of the product there. This is the image, so I can right click and save it. I click and save the image. And save it. So once I save it, then I'll just upload the image to my page. So how do I do that? Very simple. Let me open a new, let me view it. So I'll go to dashboard, go to media, add new. So that image that I just downloaded, I will upload it. As you can see, once it's uploaded successfully, I'll go back to my page and add it here. Click on this edit configuration, come to action, upload image. So I'm going to go to media library and select the image. So you come to this place, you select the file and upload, or you go to media library and upload there, or you can just paste the link of the image here and it appears there automatically. So you can resize the image whichever way you want it. Can you see? Can you see? So now here I'll just put another title element below the image. Say enter your details below to get immediate access, or to download immediately, whichever one you want to use. So I'm going to reduce this to the 2.4, center alignment and bold it. I can change the color to red, as you can see. So I'll just click on save. So this is how to design your sales page in few minutes. You can add more details to it if you want to add maybe like what the product is all about and all. As you can see on the page, like what they will get inside and all this listed there, but you don't need a lot of information on a squeeze page. Just the headline, the image or video, and then the sign up box is all you need. So here you can edit it as well. You just double click on anything you want to edit, change it to 2019. Your company name should be your website name, NetBizNG. Can you see that? And then I'm going to click on save. So now this is how to create your squeeze page. The next thing we want to do is actually make this form to actually work, that is accept leads. So how do we do that? It means we have to integrate autoresponder with this form, so that anytime people visit this website and they sign up, it stores the data in our autoresponder, and from there we can keep sending them emails. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this. Thank you.